So we will do the third exercise. That is exercise 15.3. Okay. So see, first of all, it says cards marked numbers 1 to 101 are placed in a bag. And sorry, guys, previous go to questions. If you go to 15.3, yeah. A bag contains 12 balls, of which X are white. This we had not done right now. 15.3 for some.
No, sir, not done.
Okay, fine. So there are some balls, that is X balls, which are white. Okay. And total balls is 12. Okay. If one ball is drawn at random, what is the probability that it will be a white ball? So n of A is X, n of S is 12. So they are asking what is the probability that it will be white? So that is n of A by n of S, that is X by 12 over. Okay. If 6 more white balls are put, second, now 6 balls are added. So n of B will be X plus 6. Is this clear? And n of S will be 12 plus 6, which is 18. The probability of white balls, therefore, what is the probability of B? N of B by n of S, that is X plus 6 by 18. Okay. So they are saying the probability of the white balls will be double that the probability in case number 1. Okay. That means what we are trying to say is, therefore, X plus 6 by 18 is equal to 2 times X by 12. Find the number of white balls. That is a question. So we'll simplify this. 2 ones are 6 are, 6 ones are 3s are. So X plus 6 is equal to 3x. 6 is equal to 2x. X is equal to 3. So there are 3 white balls. Is this clear? Understood?
Excuse me, sir.
Uh,
Sir, can you just lift the camera a little above?
Yeah, sir, we are unable to
The
see.
part is not visible. Yes, sir. Thank you.
better now, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Complete this. So we'll go to the next sum.
Sir, done, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, finished.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 2. In a group, there are 3 men and 2 women. 3 men. M1, M2, M3. And there are 2 women. W1, W2. Okay. 3 persons are selected at random. So let us see how we select the 3 persons. Okay. So my S will be M1, M2, M3. First I am selecting assuming all 3 men only. Okay. Then M1, M2, W1. M1, M2, W2. Okay. Then I'm selecting M1, M3, W1. M1, M3, W2. Okay. M2, M3, W1. M2, M3, W2. Okay. Or W1, W2, M1. W1, W2, M2. W1, W2, M3. These are all the possible selections. Okay. So that is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N of S is 10. Okay, till you understood? Now, find the probability that 1 man and 2 women. So let A be the event of selecting 1 man and 2 women. So that will be this, this, and this. Agreed? W1, W2, M1, W1, W2, M2, W1, W2, M3, 1 man and 2 women, or 2 men and 1 woman. 2 men. So this M1, M2, W1, M1, M2, W2, M1, M3, W1, M1, M3, W2, M2, M3, W1, M2, M3, W2. बस ये सब ये छोड़ के बाकी हमने सब सिलेक्ट कर लिया है. ठीक है. So what is n of A? 9. So P of A 9 by 10. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Question number 3. In a bag, there are 3 red balls, 5 black balls, 4 white balls. So what will be n of S? 12. Okay. A ball is thrown at random. What is the probability? The ball is white. White ball will be 4 by 12, 1 by 3. red ball 3 by 12, that is 1 by 4, or black ball 5 by 12. This cannot be simplified further. Over. Understood?
Yes,
Next
sir.
question. Question number 4. You all cannot see this part, no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So you finish these 2 questions, then we'll go to the next part. Okay. Over.
Done, sir.
Okay. Question number 4. It is known that a box of 600 electric bulbs. So N of S is 600. There are 12 defective. Therefore, 600 minus 12, there will be 588 good bulbs. This one. Okay. One bulb is taken out at random. What is the probability that it is non-defective? So N of A, non-defective, is 588. So probability of A, n of A by n of S, that is 588 by 600. Okay, we'll divide by 6. So this is 100, this is 9, then 48 means it is 8. So my answer is 49 by 54. Is this clear? Next.
Yes, sir.
Fifth one is also identical to the fourth one, so I'm not doing it. Then I come to question number 6. Alif again consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times. Tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times is same as tossing 3 coins once. So first I will write my S. H, 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 H. I'll write it a bit down so that you all can see. H, 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 T, H, T, H, T, H, H, T, 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 H, T, H, T, H, T, T. So n of S is 8. Clear? Then Hanif wins if all the tosses give the same result. Calculate the probability that Hanif will lose. So he wins only when he gets all 3 heads or all 3 tails. Otherwise he loses. So A में क्या आएगा? HHT बाकी सब आ जाएगा. ठीक है? देखो n of A is 6. They've asked us a probability that he will lose. Understood?
Yes, sir.
In a lottery, there are 10 prizes and 25 blanks. मतलब जिसमें लॉटरी नहीं लगता है उसको ब्लैंक बोलते हैं. So n of S is 35. ठीक है? Find the probability of getting a prize. प्राइस कब मिलेगा? क्योंकि 10 प्राइजेस है. 10. Two by 7. Clear? Complete these 3 sums. हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 8 is exactly like question number 2. वो group था ना जो 3 women, 3 men, 2 men, same है वैसा. So I'm not doing it. ठीक है? Then comes to question number 9. A box contains 90 discs numbered from 1 to n of s कितना है 90 है. नंबर कौन सा अपने पास 1 to 90 है, अपने को पूरा लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है. If one disk is drawn at random, find the probability that it bears a 2-digit number. तो अपना 2-digit number तो मतलब आपका 1-digit number कौन सा होएगा? होगा 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. तो अपना 2-digit number कितना होगा? 90 minus these 1 2 3 sorry 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. तो कितना बचेगा? 81. ठीक है? So probability of A will be 81 by 90, that is 9 by 10. Oh. A perfect square 1 4 9 16 25 36 49 64 81 plus n of b is 9. Therefore p of b is 9 by 90, which is 1 by 10. A number divisible by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. ये सब गिने 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 18. ठीक है ना? बस ओवर. इसको फ्रैक्शन में छोड़ना है, इसको डेसिमल बनाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Cards bearing numbers 2, 3, 4, 11 are kept in the bag. Find the probability of getting a prime number. तो 2 to 11 है, ठीक है? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. तो कितना है? n of s कितना है? 10 है. प्राइम नंबर इसमें से कौन सा है? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Right? So p of a क्या आएगा? 5 by 10, which is 1 by 2. Oh, ठीक है ना? ये 11 भी खुद ही कर सकते हो, 12 भी खुद ही कर सकते हो. Last one 13 sum. Probability of selecting a red ball, okay, is 1 by 4. Given. Probability of selecting a blue ball, 1 by 3. We have 3 types of balls in this: red, blue, and orange. So probability of selecting an orange ball plus probability of red ball plus probability of blue ball will always be equal to 1. Total probability is always equal to 1. So probability of an orange ball plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1. So property of orange ball is 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3, that is 12. So 12 minus 3 minus 4. So probability of getting an orange ball is 5 by 12. इतना निकाल दिया हमने, ठीक है? Now, if the jar contains 10 orange balls, find the total number of balls in the jar. Let total number of balls be x. So 5/12 of x is equal to 10. Is this clear? Therefore, x is equal to 10 into 12 by 5. So total there are 24 balls. Is this clear? With this, we finish this chapter, complete these sums, then we move on to circles.
Sir, what is the solution? I cannot see the.
Which solution?
Yes, sir, the solution.
Which solution?
Sir, the last final answer, sir.
Huh?
So the one is that is showing on the board.
Which one you can't see?
The third part.
Third one everybody can see, even I can't see you. So you first put on your video. I don't speak to walls. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we move on to circles. In circles, first of all, we learn a very, very important property. Now, a tangent of a circle is a line which touches a circle at one and only one point. Okay? Tangent tangent touches a circle at one and only one point. So if I call this point as P, and if OP is the radius, then this is called as a tangent radius property. What it says is that the radius of a circle is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. At the point of contact. So as you all can see, P is the point of contact. So I will say that OP is perpendicular to line L. This is called as tangent radius property. Second, from a point inside the circle, no tangent can be drawn to the circle. जो सर्कल के अंदर से जो लाइन जाता है, that is called as secant. I just explain the difference to you. This is the line which is cutting the circle at these 2 points. This is called as secant. Whereas this line, which is touching the circle at 1 point only, this is called as tangent. So from a point inside the circle, no tangent can be drawn to the circle. From a point on the circle, one tangent can be drawn to the circle. And from a point outside the circle, 2 tangents can be drawn to the circle. So if you can see, these are 2 tangents. And my tangent radius property, this and this, both are the radii, they'll be perpendicular to the tangents. Okay, take this down, please. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we go to a very, very important concept here. Now I made a figure in which I have shown this point P is outside the circle. From this point P, we are drawing two tangent segments to the circle, touching them at A and B. So A and B are the points of contact. OA is the radius, OB is the radius. So this is the radius, this is the radius. Now the radius of a circle, as we know, is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We have already discussed that. Now, let us see what we can prove from this. We will draw this line OP. Okay. Now, what this OP has done is it has divided this into two triangles. Both are right angle triangles. In these right angle triangles, this radius is equal to this radius, radii of the same circle. And this side is the common side. And it is the hypotenuse in both the cases. So I can say that by RHS test of congruence of triangles, triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP. Now, if these two triangles are congruent, then I can say that PA is equal to PB, CP, CPC, correct? So that means the tangent segments drawn to a circle from a point outside it are equal. Second, I can say that angle OPA is equal to angle OPB. That means these two angles are also congruent. I can also say that this angle is equal to this angle. So I can say that angle AOP is equal to angle BOP, both by CP. So by just drawing one figure, I have concluded three things. Tangent segments drawn to a circle from a point outside it are equal. These two angles are also equal to each other. Take it down. Okay. Done. So we'll now discuss the exercise. First, unsolved exercise 10.1. How many tangents can a circle have? A circle can have infinite number of tangents.
Yes.
Fill in the blanks. A tangent to a circle intersects within
Six.
1 point.
1 point. A line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called as a.
Second.
Second.
A circle can have
Two
dash
parallel.
tangents at the most.
Two.
Two.
Two parallel tangents at the most. Okay. Now to question number 3 yourself. Get the answer. Yes, are you finished?
Done, sir.
Ayush finished?
Yes, sir.
What's your answer?
The 12 centimeter because two tangent lines are parallel, like equal.
Sorry,
The 12 centimeter.
have you drawn the diagram? Have you drawn the diagram? Without drawing the diagram, how can you get it? How did you get answer as 12 centimeter? OQ is given to you as 12 centimeter. You have to find PQ. Your answer is wrong. I want to see your diagram. Arya, have you finished? Shweta, can I see your diagram?
Yes, sir.
Sir, even I have not drawn the diagram.
Sir, I got the
Wrong.
answer as
Shweta, this is wrong. This is wrong. Absolutely wrong.
I check it, sir.
Please do it again. Please read the question carefully and then do it. Yes, who is finished?
Sir, I've got one figure. Just a moment. Sir, I got it.
Show me. Yeah. Okay. Ayush,
Yes, sir.
show. I can't see anything. Show it straight. Show it straight. I don't want to see your face. I only want to see the book.
Yeah.
Take it down.
Sir, I will dim the lights.
The diagram is wrong. See, this is the diagram. It says. This is O, this is Q. This is 12. And this is 5. So this is the hypotenuse.
Sir, root 119.
Sorry?
Sir, root 119.
What is given to you 1 second? To center O and OQ is 12. Okay? A tangent PQ, sir. Tangent PQ. Okay? Meets a line through O at a point Q so that OQ is 12. So this is 12. Hypotenuse is 12. This is the hypotenuse here. This is your side. Side 1 squared plus side 2 squared is hypotenuse squared. 5 squared plus PQ squared is 12 squared. PQ squared 144 minus 25. That is 119.
PQ is equals to root of 119.
So if you don't draw the diagram properly, you will not get the answer also. Very simple.
Sir, I got the answer right the second time after doing this again.
Now we move on to the next exercise, exercise 10.2. Okay. Now exactly like what we did now, please do the first sum and the second sum. First and the second sum of exercise 10.2. Both the diagrams are made on the board. Finished? So here this is 24,
Yes, sir.
this is 25, which is the hypotenuse. So 25 squared is equal to, let me call this as OP again, OP squared plus PQ squared. So 25 squared is equal to x squared plus 24 squared. This is 625 is x squared plus 576. So x squared is 625 minus 576. So x squared will be 49, x will be 7. So the radius of the circle is 7. Here we are been asked to find out this angle. Okay, so this is 90, this is also 90. Now this is a quadrilateral, sum is 360. So already 180 is over, this is 110, so this is 70 over. Here. Okay.